Come on, let's have some tea and biscuits. Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap. Make it stop, make it stop. No. You're drowning me! Oh, God. Thank you, darling. I'm being liquidated. Refreshing my sleep. Yeah. Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. Have you been to the moon? I want to see the basement in the Alamo. You might want to put that back. Do you like playing games? Yeah, that'll work. Good choice. Use that every time. Oh, yeah, that'll work. Excellent choice. Oh! I could live with that choice. Nothing is safe. There's nothing safe. Hey, let's get down to business. I'm unarmed. I might vomit. Oh! Please! Oh, please, stop! No, please! Oh, the pain! The pain! Oh, God! No! It's a nip! I'm a pacifist! I am wrapped in darkness. Be careful, it's quite an old box. Read the directions! Nothing is safe! Boring! Hey, did you see my frog somewhere around here? Babushka! Ooh. Pay attention to me. Choose something else. Enough! You got anything I could read for a few minutes? Mama! Buddy, angry! This is bad. I'm melting! Make it stop! No, not that. I'm in a world of pain! Put that back. Yeah, just put it back. Can I go watch the X-Files for a while? That's not good. Armageddon! It's the end of the world as we know it. What on earth do I deserve that for? Oh, I'm doomed. There goes the sequel. This is very unstable. That's not right. Apocalypse! No. It's the end of the world as we know it. The end is here. Mayday, mayday! Boring. No. Ow! No, not that. Cataclysm! Siri, call the ambulance. What's wrong with you? My God, why? You're a bad person. Oh, my biscuits are burning. I'm burning! No! Open a window! Stop, drop, and roll! Siri, call the ambulance! What's wrong with you? My God, why? Well. You might want to put that back. The pain! You're a bad person. Siri, where's the nearest hospital? I'm burning! Oh, my biscuits are burning! Open a window! Siri, call the ambulance! Stop, drop, and roll! My God, why? You're a bad person. Oh! Siri, where's the nearest hospital? What's wrong with you? I'm burning! Oh, my biscuits are burning! Siri, call the ambulance! Stop, drop, and roll! Ow! Open a window! Ow! Oh, God! Ooh! Time out! I'm out! That's my world. So... I'm considering a career change. Matryoshka. Steamboat Willie. I'm gonna check out some of the other apps, alright? Mind if I catch a nap here? Hey, take your time.